Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sandra, and I'm back again with another amazing and interesting video. If you're seeing my face for the first time, and I go by the name Sandra, and I'm a mom YouTuber, lifestyle blogger based in Italy. Subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed, and turn on the post notification so that you don't get to miss my videos. Okay, so guys, today is cleaning day. Today is Saturday, and I'm back to clean this whole house, including the bathroom. The bathroom is so messed up. I'll normally clean the bathroom once in a week. So yeah guys, you guys will be coming with me. You guys will be cleaning the bathroom with me. Especially, that's the real reason. You'll be cleaning the house with me, okay? So today is election, guys. I hope you guys are voting well. I hope you guys are voting right. Because if you guys do not vote right, Nigeria will suffer, I swear. Today is Nigeria election. Nigeria will suffer. We suffer for a very long time, you know. Please guys, vote right, vote for the right person. I just pray that God give us the wisdom to vote right, okay? Because we cannot vote for the wrong person at this point, okay? So yeah guys, you guys will be cleaning the house with me. You guys will be cleaning this house with me, and I just hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I just hope you guys and also I'll be doing the laundry. I'll be doing the laundry in washing machine. I'll be using the washing machine to do the laundry. If you know already, I don't wash with my hands. Sometimes I wash with my hand. Maybe if the clothes are stained with something, like, you know, I wash with hands. I normally use the washing machine. So I'll be washing my bathtub. Is it called bathtub? This one here. Is it called bathtub? This one. I'll be washing it. Normally, if this bathtub is always having dot mark on it. If you like, you wash it every day. If you as far as you bath only one time, it will still have the same mark. So yeah guys, I want to just do what I know how to do best. Clean this house, okay? You guys will be cleaning with me.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. 'Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because
So guys, this is my lunch that I want to eat now. I'm not done arranging this house though, but I'm very hungry. So I want to be eating lunch. This is what I have for lunch, that I want to have for lunch. What's I need there? I have coconut rice and jollof rice. So guys, I'm done cleaning this house. I'm done doing everything that I need to do. Thank you so much guys for watching. And we are going out now. We are going to the supermarket to buy food stuff because we run out of food stuff. We want to go buy some food stuff and some things for the kids. And also later on I'll be going to church for choir practice because I'm in the choir now. And yeah guys, I'll be ending the video here. If you watch to this point, please consider to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you don't get to miss any of my videos, okay? And share this video, okay? And I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video, alright? Bye bye, see you soon.